Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Tab M7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this tablet. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Security section. In it, click on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you that you wish to set up, pattern, PIN or password. Over here, you need to create your login method, and when you're ready, select Next at the bottom right corner. Now repeat it in order to confirm it, and tap on Confirm. Finally, you can tap on one of those options to answer a question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option and tap on Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!